Let's start with the next type of miscellaneous series. Okay, now we can categorize this type of series as AGP. AGP means arithmetic geometric progression, or you can call it as combination of arithmetic geometric progression. Okay everyone, so what I will do is as of now I will delete these options so that we can have some space to solve this. Okay, so over here the value of s is equal to how much? 2 plus 4x plus 6x square, okay, plus 8x cube. Okay everyone, the next term is going to be what? The next term is going to be 10 into x to the power 4. After that, next term is going to be 12 into x to the power 5 plus so on. Okay, so now we need to find the value of x, and our options are in terms of x. Okay everyone, so if you observe this series, okay, 2 4 6 8 10, this and so on, this represent arithmetic progression. Okay, this represent arithmetic progression. And if you observe 1, then x to the power 2, then x to the power 3, then x to the power 4, and then x to the power 5 and so on. Okay, this is nothing but geometric progression. In geometric progression, the value of r is how much? The value of r is x, and we know that mod of x is less than 1. Okay, it is given in the question. So over here this is a combination of arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Okay, we can call it as AGP. So the first step is to remove arithmetic progression from this series. Okay, the first step is to remove arithmetic progression from this series. So what we'll do is, let's call this as equation number 1. Okay, so the next step is, let's call this as equation number 1. The step number 1 is, in GP the value of r is x. Okay, so let's multiply this equation with x. Okay, whatever is the value of r, let's multiply equation 1 with the value of r. That is, let's multiply equation 1 with x. Okay, so s into x. On the left hand side it will be s into x. Okay, multiply this equation by x. Okay, so on the right hand side, 2 into x is 2x. We'll write x below x. Okay, 4 into x is 4x square. We'll write x square below x square. 6 into x square is into x is equal to 6x cube. Okay, 8x cube into x is 8x to the power 4. 10x to the power 4 into x is 10x to the power 5 and so on. Okay, this is our equation number 2. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to do equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay everyone, equation 1 minus equation 2. On left hand side it will be s minus sx. Okay, on right hand side, look here, 2 minus nothing is 2. Okay, 4x minus 2x is 2x. 6x square minus 4x square is equal to 2x square. 8x cube minus 6x cube is 2x cube. Okay, 10x to the power 4 minus 8x to the power 4 is 2x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 5 and so on. Okay, over here what you can see, that arithmetic progression is removed. Okay, whatever is remaining, that is a pure geometric progression where value of r is equal to how much? X. The terms are getting multiplied by x. Okay, the terms are getting multiplied by x. So the left hand side is what? Tell me, left hand side is s. Let's take x common. Okay, so left hand side is s into 1 minus x. Okay, on the right hand side the first term is 2 and the value of r is x, and the mod of x is less than 1. So we can use the formula of infinite geometric progression. Okay, in infinite geometric progression, the formula to find sum of all infinite terms is equal to first term 2 divided by 1 minus r. Okay, r is x. So over here our answer is going to be how much? We need to find the value of s. So the value of s is going to be how much? 2 divided by 1 minus x bracket square. Okay, so 2 divided by 1 minus x bracket square. Okay, let me copy options here. Our options are, these are our options. Okay, so we are going to mark option number C as a final answer. This is how we can solve AGP. Okay everyone.